where?
Here we come. It's the AK Kids.
Hey guys, it's the AKA Kids, and today we're back with another video. Today is my mum's birthday, and she's received a present, and I'm going to open it because I think it's something special because it's in a box. So let's get started. Oh wow. Oh my gosh guys, it is Louis Vuitton. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton. I love Louis Vuitton, guys. Guys, so I finally opened it, the Louis Vuitton, and wait, it smells fresh. Ooh la la! Wait, I need you guys to see this. Ooh la la! Oh my gosh, this is a nice bag. I want her MCM bag now. So this is my mom's birthday present, guys, and I'm just doing. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I want one of these.